If you hear like a consistent rocking noise, it's because my son's rocking in the swing. So I guess it's the only thing that's gonna keep him busy. So I hope you guys don't mind that throughout the video. So I'm in a new space today because my mom is still visiting, so she's taking over my office area. And so yeah, so I'm in my room and we're gonna film here because I'm so excited to try these things, and I can't try anything until I share my haul with you guys because that's just how I do it. If you hear like a consistent rocking noise, it's because my son's rocking in the swing. So I guess it's the only thing that's gonna keep him busy. So I hope you guys don't mind that throughout the video. And yeah, so let's just get started. So today I am sharing an Ulta haul. I got a mixture of drugstore and high-end products. And yeah, if you like hauls, give me a big old fat thumbs up and let's just get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this one is one of their highlighters. It's called Wisp, and I'm just dying to try this. I'm not gonna lie, I never really got into ColourPop. I don't know why, I never did, but when the whole ColourPop trend was going on, I've never tried any of their products except for some eyeshadows and some lippies. So I was excited to try this. It's a Super Shock Cheek. And it's Wisp, and this is what it looks like. I just thought this was such a beautiful color. I wanted to try it. I've been getting into trying different highlighters. So, oh wow, this is so smooth and creamy and nice. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this color. It's hard to tell on the website if this was gonna be too like grayish looking on me, but this is actually gonna be perfect. I am gonna love it already, and I barely dipped my finger into it, and it's so creamy and soft, so I'm super excited to try that one out in some upcoming tutorials and whatnot. Okay, so next is this Revolution Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Blusher, and this one is the color Peachy Pink Kisses. So I wanted this as a blush. I actually tried this one on today and it's too light to be a blush for me. So it actually ended up being a highlight, hence all this glow. That's what's giving me the highlight. So at first I put it on as a blush. I realized I'm just highlighting my whole cheek. So then I put a blush on top of that, and then I tried to put it just on to highlight, and it's too highlighty today, but this is what it looks like, and it's just a beautiful, I just mixed it all together, and it gives a beautiful peachy pinky kind of highlight color for me. So yeah, this, if you're close to my shade, this is gonna be more of like a highlight, and it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I did want to blush, so I might have to go back and next time I get something from Ulta, just pick up a darker one of these. Next, I was so excited. I don't know what it is about this foundation, and I've seen so many mixed reviews of people loving the foundation, people hating the foundation, but I'm still so wanting to try the foundation myself out, and that's the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I don't know what it is about this that I want to try it out, and I got the shade Warm Beige, which I think should match me pretty well. So you'll probably be seeing a first impressions of this foundation coming up pretty soon, you guys, so make sure that you stay tuned and that you're subscribed. But yeah, this one is super excited. Oh, I also got the Rainforest by the Sea Dropper foundation, but I actually started using it. I was too excited. I couldn't wait, so I started to use it already, so it's not in this haul, but I did get that as well with this. Along with that foundation, I also got this LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear foundation. I got the shade Medium Beige, and I recently tried the LA Girl HD regular foundation. If you didn't see it in Foundation Week, I will link Foundation Week off below. You need to go check that series out because it's really fun. And so everyone says that this is just awesome and amazing, so I wanted to give it a try. I like glowy foundations. I have dry skin, but if there's a matte foundation that will fit me, I'll definitely try it. I mean, I love the Fit Me Matte, so I'm excited to try this one as well. And it's glass, it's just really beautiful and sleek, so I'm gonna be doing a first impressions on this one as well. Okay guys, so I have recently been watching, oh, what's her name? I always forget YouTubers' names. Jessica Bond. I'll put it around here somewhere, but she was talking about some dupes or some drugstore products that were just as good as high-end products. And one of the ones she mentioned was the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer, and she kind of compared it to the Becca Illuminating illuminator, and I have that one. I have a little sample of the color that she was talking about. So I thought that I would go ahead and pick this one up and try it and see if it is just as good. I'll tell you guys my results and what I think. But this is just a really cute bottle, so I'm super excited to try this as well. I never really noticed it in the stores before she mentioned it, and she just raved about it, and just absolutely beautiful. Step up for a physician's formula for sure. And it has like a little pump, so I'm super excited to try it. So let's swatch a little bit of it. Whoa, I don't think the color is spot on, but I don't know if you can see it like right there, but it doesn't smell like anything, and it feels it actually feels smoother than the Becca one. So we'll see how it goes with this one. I'm really excited to start putting that underneath some of the foundations. I actually wore the Becca Illuminator. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like the Becca Illuminator primer. I actually wore that underneath this foundation today. I'm extra glowy today, guys. I know, I went overboard on the glow, on the blush, just trying to fix things. It just got crazy, so ignore that. So the main reason I bought all these things, again, I told you guys in my last haul, or I told you guys in my March favorites. I told you guys that I loved the Milani or the LA Girl blushes, and I was gonna order more. Where I ordered more and then all of them came in broken. So I returned those to the Ulta store and I ordered them again, and this time they came in looking great. And that's kind of what started this whole binge of getting more makeup, because I went to order those again and then I saw new things and then I wanted to buy more things, and then I had seen videos, I wanted to try new things. So that's kind of what happened. I got a lot of the LA Girl blushes, a lot, you guys. So just be aware. I got 2, 4, 6 of the blushes because I honestly love that blush. I just wanted to try all the colors they had. So first off, this one, Just Peachy. It's an even peachier color than the natural one that I had gotten. So I'm super excited to try that one. And then I got also Just Radiant. So it's kind of like a red with some glow in it. Then I got this one, which is kind of like, looks like a bronzer color. It's called Just Glowing. So it looks like a really beautiful bronzer. This one was super interesting just because, and it's like a taupey, cool brown color, and I'm so excited to put that on the cheeks and see how it looks. So I'm dying to try that one. And then we got Just Fearless, which is more like a kind of a cranberry color. Really, really beautiful as well. Just, I know this looks scary, but just a light touch gives you so much color to your cheeks. I just love it. And then this one, Just Kissed, which is just their pink one, and I'm just dying to try all of their colors. I don't know, these aren't all of their blushes that they have. They have more blushes than this. So if there's a color that piques your interest, this is a good, these blushes are really, really good. So I would definitely give them a try. I also got this little Too Faced like gift that they gave me because I bought some Too Faced products. I'll just show you. It comes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and also comes with a little Better Than Sex mascara. This is what I'm talking about. One of the things that was new and I'm just dying to try, and just because it looked beautiful. So these are the new Too Faced from their natural collection. So they basically went away with some of their like their natural eyes palettes, and they revamped them, and they put them out. So they're finally out. I mean, just look at this packaging. It's freaking gorgeous, and it just attracted me. This is one of those things where I don't need, I just want. And so I got two are really the things that, these were the only two that really interested me. It's the natural face palette and then the natural eyes palette. So they did reformulate this. It did say on the website they reformulated with a coconut butter formula. But I haven't taken a good look at this one compared to the old one to see if like the colors have changed much or anything like that. But this is what, prepare yourself guys. First off, this gold was in there, okay? And then you have the Too Faced Natural Eyes. Look at this. This is heavy, okay? This is nice. This packaging is nice, guys. I am just obsessing over this. So beautiful. And so this one is the Natural Eyes palette. Oh my gosh, so freaking gorgeous. Just for the packaging itself, I'm like, I'm buying that, sold. And it was pricey, but I'm just really excited to start using this. So here's the Natural Eyes, and then put this away in its nice packaging. So freaking beautiful. And then the Natural Face palette, which I was super excited about. There's a couple of highlights, a couple blushes, and a couple of bronzing shades, I believe. So again, looks the same. They kind of revamped them all to this beautiful packaging. And let's take a look at this here. So there's, well, I guess there's two of these that can be like highlights here, and I guess this one's kind of the only the bronzy one, and those other ones are blushes. So I'm super excited to try these out. I'll let you guys know how it goes. You'll probably be seeing them in a tutorial or something. I don't know. We'll see. You'll probably see me model them and post pictures on my Instagram because the packaging is so dang cute. Why not? Seriously, like why not just take pictures of makeup all day? All right, so this is a product that I've actually tried before and I hated it. They only had 2 shades. Both of them were too light for me. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but they recently came out with more shades, and I'm not gonna lie, I hate the scent. It makes me sick, but I wanted to try their Deepest Bronze shade, and I said, you know what, the formula seemed nice, it didn't match me. And so this one's called Deep Bronzer, and it's their deepest one that they have. And I'm not gonna lie, for some reason I haven't tried any more of their butter line because I hate the smell of it. It makes me sick. But anyways, this is what that one looks like. And it looks like it'll be dark enough that hopefully I'll be able to use it somehow or another. I mean, I don't know. Oh, the smell is already getting to me. But, I mean, at least it'll give me, maybe it'll even give me like a bronzy glow if it's not dark enough to be a contour. Come on, Physicians Formula, this is ridiculous. You can totally. Okay, I also did get a sample of the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation, but they sent me the color Tan, and I think this is gonna be too dark, but I'll probably try this just because I'm curious to see what all the fuss is about. You know what I'm talking about, all the fuss that it's terrible. Let's see. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna do my own research and check it out for myself. Okay, another highlighter. Here we go. Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezi highlight. You know what I'm talking about. This is the one product that I just keep looking at Ulta, and I want to buy it, but then I don't, but then I want it, but then I don't because it's pricey. And finally I'm like, screw it, you know what, I'm gonna buy it because I really want to buy it. I really want to own it, and I'm so glad that I did because it's just beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. Can you even see that? I don't know if you can even see that if it's showing off, but oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. And when I look at it inside, I mean, can you just see how beautiful this is? And so I'm super excited. I'm glad that I got it. It's a beautiful gold color. I haven't even swatched it because I want to take like a picture of it. I'll try to swatch like a little tiny corner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So I barely dipped my finger in to not make a wedge, and look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm so glad that I bought it. Anyways, if you're looking at this to buy it, just buy it because it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know. I'm really excited to put this on my face. Yes. I did buy a bunch of lippies and then what is this? An eyebrow pencil from LA Girl. This Shady Slim, these are awesome. I love them, so I decided to buy another one. This one is called... This one's the Warm Brown, so I'm gonna be trying that one out. And then I also bought a bunch of lippies. Okay, so I did buy a Revolution, what is this? Matte lipstick in Stripped. I was just curious, and as I was buying the other ones, I thought I would try one of their matte lipsticks before I buy a bunch and try them out. But this one just looked like a beautiful, beautiful brown color, and so I'm really excited to try this. I don't know why I'm getting so into browns right now. So as I was getting some of these LA Girl blushes, I saw that they had these Lipify Stylo cream colors, and I got this like cool brown color. This one is called Dreamer and looks so nice, and on the swatch that I thought I would go ahead and try it, and so I went ahead and I got it, and it's kind of like a very cool, oh yeah, like a very cool nude color. And I'll also swatch the Revolution for you guys. So there's the Revolution right there, and then that like nudie color next to it is the LA Girl one. And so I got 2 more of those as well to try out. So I got Brave. I was worried that this red would be too pinky, but we're just gonna have to open it up and see for ourselves if it's too pinky. That was a terrible, terrible swatch, but that's what it looks like. It definitely is a pinkier red. I was hoping it'd be like a more orangey, like vibrant fire red, but it doesn't look like it is. And then I also got this one, which is kind of like a mauve color, and this one is called Giddy. So this one's like a mauve pink. Can you kind of see that? So freaking gorgeous. And then the last thing I got, the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner. This one I got in red so that it can kind of pair up with the pinky red. So maybe this one will make it more reddy red, like a blue red, and kind of help with that. So we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, so that's everything that I got in my Ulta haul. I really wanted to share it with you guys before I start trying stuff out on my face, and I'm dying to just dig into stuff. And yeah, so I hope you guys like the haul. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys haven't seen any of my recent uploads, like my foundation week, go check it out if you're a foundation junkie like I am and you just binge watch reviews and first impressions like nobody's business. That's what I've kind of been into. You might want to go check that out. But yeah, let me know down below if there's something new and cool or something that you're loving that you think that I should try out, so that I kind of write it down on my Ulta list next time that I get something from Ulta. So let me know down below in the comment section. I love you guys. I'm excited to be back with you guys. If you're kind of wondering how everything, like if you've been a subscriber and you're kind of wondering how labor went, how baby went, I had my baby, go check out my vlog channel. I'll link it at the end of the video. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.